Hi everyone, welcome back to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing fantastic. And yes, so many requests for this particular song which just released yesterday. This is called Darshana and I'm going to be reacting to the official music video and stars Pranav Mohanlal and Darshana Rajendran. So okay, a song dedicated to Darshana, huh? That's cool. And this is from an upcoming film, Hridayam, which is directed by Reenit Srinivasan. Now I've seen one of his films, which is Jacob Inte Swargrajyam. So yeah, let's just check the song. It's a nice 5-minute song. So they have released basically the full song. So okay, I saw so many comments that please react to the song. So yeah, of course. I'm guessing it's a nice song. That's why you guys asked me to react to it. So all right, do I need the subtitles? Oh, they will have the subtitles. Okay, great, fantastic. Okay, here we go. Oh no.
എന്താണ് കിണിക്കണേ? എന്താണ് കിണിക്കണേന്ന്?
ചേട്ടൻ എത്ര വേണേലും തല്ലിക്കോ, എനിക്കൊരു കുന്തമില്ല.
Okay.
You know why? Because Darshana is mine. And there's nothing you can do to change that, you sucker!
Okay.
നിന്നെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടെന്നേ, മേഘം പൂക്കൾ പെയ്യുന്നേ, ഒന്നാവാ ഞാനെന്നേ, നെഞ്ചിൽ തീർത്തോരൻ പ്രണയ പ്രപഞ്ചമിതാ ദർശന. സർവം സദാ നിൻ സൗരഭം ദർശന, എൻ ജീവന സായുജ്യം ദർശന, സ്നേഹാമൃതം എന്നിലേകു ദർശന.
Arun.
Thank you, Arun.
Can I have your number?
No.
Wait. Oh, it's the old Nokia phone.
4 വർഷം നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും. 4 academic years. ഒരുമിച്ച് കൂട്ടിയ ഹോളിഡേയ്സ് ഒക്കെ കഴിച്ച് 800 ദിവസം. അതിലിപ്പോൾ 20 ദിവസം ഓൾറെഡി കഴിഞ്ഞു. നേരത്തെ പറയായിരുന്നു, പിന്നീട് ആലോചിച്ച് റിഗ്രറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ എനിക്ക് താല്പര്യമില്ല. So I'm coming straight to the point.
Okay.
I'm crazy about you.
Oh, she's very
I love
happy.
you the minute I saw you. എനിക്ക് എന്നെ കുറിച്ച് എന്താ ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയാൻ എനിക്ക് താല്പര്യമുണ്ട്.
അരുൺ, എനിക്ക് ആലോചിക്കണം.
ആലോചിച്ചോളൂ, ഒരുപാട് സമയം എടുക്കരുത് പ്ലീസ്. ദർശന, നീ മുടി കെട്ടിയിടാണ്ട് അഴിച്ചിട്ട് നോക്ക്. മുടി അഴിച്ചിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കാണാൻ അടിപൊളിയാണ്. നീ പോകും വഴിയിൽ വനം കാത്തു നിന്നു, ഒരു നോക്കു നൽകാതകന്നു നീ, ഓർക്കുന്ന നേരം കനലാണു നെഞ്ചിൽ, മറുവാക്കു ചൊല്ലാത്തതെന്റെ, ഏതൊരാഴത്തിൽ മൂടി വെച്ചാലും അഴകേ, മനസ്സു തേടി എത്തുന്നു നിന്റെ ഈ പുഞ്ചിരി. മധുവേ നുകരാൻ കാത്തു ഞാൻ ദർശന, സർവം സദാ നിൻ സൗരഭം ദർശന, എൻ ജീവന സായുജ്യം ദർശന,
So it's the college love, huh?
സ്നേഹാമൃതം എന്നിലേകു ദർശന.
Amritam यदा दर्शना सर्वं सदा निन सौरभदर्शना यं जीवन सायुज्यं दर्शना स्नेहामृतं यन्निले दूरदर्शना दर्शना
It's gonna release in theaters. So the song is out. So I'm guessing the trailer is also out then. Wow. I just want to listen to the ending part where Darshana sings, like her part. That sounded really nice. Wait, I think it was somewhere here. Yes. Oh, that sounded so good. After this, this part. The beats of the song are so good. Okay, I'll stop this. Oh, you play like, because I think it's because of the earphones also. So like the beats were so clear and so beautiful. Okay, let me stop this. I want to see who sang this. Oh, the female part is sung by Darshana. Oh, I didn't know she was a singer also. Okay. And the guy who sang the song is Hesham Abdul Wahab. I really liked his voice. Okay. The bigger surprise is that Darshana's part she only sang. Okay, great. Alright, let me stop this here. I really, a lot of people were telling me, because I have like a lot of people were telling me that Pranav Mohanlal is looking really good, Darshana is looking really good in this song, and I agree completely. I have not seen any movie of Pranav Mohanlal, like, because I know he is in Marakkar, but that has still not released in the theaters, so I'm waiting for that movie also eagerly. But okay, so at least I saw one trailer of him acting, and this also. Here of course he's looking very different, but I like their chemistry here, both of them. And just about the song, firstly, that the hook of the song, Darshana, that was really nice. And the overall song, it's a out and out love song. You can just see it from the lyrics only. He's completely in love, though I don't know why. Looking at the guy, because now they are in engineering, so this is like pure college love, and he's like, oh, we are going to be here for 4 years, and also I'm coming straight to the point and all of that. Is he going to get obsessed also with her? Because I'm just saying, I have not seen the trailer, of course, but I am saying this because you see the first visual where people are hitting him, not her, hitting him, and he's saying, do whatever the hell you want to, but she is mine. So firstly, that's a red flag for me, at least. I don't know if anybody who saw that scene thought that it was, very cute and romantic. Honestly, I did not, because I thought that was a little creepy, and I got creeped out a little. I was like, okay, is he a psycho or something? I don't know. But the song is also called Hridayam, Dil, Dhadkan, whatever. So I don't know, maybe if you guys think that I should react to the trailer for this, please comment down. But overall, I think the song is shot really well and completely shows off that he is in love, and even she is interested, because it's not like she's resisting him in any case. She likes all the attention that he's giving her, and he's cute, of course, so she's also, and she's pretty, so she's like, okay, cool, the guy plays guitar and stuff like that, he's into sports and he's giving me all this bhav, so I'm gonna take all the bhav. So clearly she's also smitten. I don't know how the story is going to progress, or if it's like an out and out, you know, feel good love story only. But overall, a nice song, really nice. What should I say? I think this is a really nice drive song, considering the beats. The beats are really nice. The beats of the song, I think that's something that completely was a plus point for me. I really like the beat drops of the song. The lyric wise, of course, not too deep, but the lyrics are just nice, beautiful, decent, I would say. But the singing is fantastic. So yes, that was the reaction for Darshana from the upcoming Malayalam film Hridayam, which is going to release next year. You know, not very far off, only after a couple of months. So let me know if I should, you know, watch the trailer for this film or not. So yep, that's it, guys. I will be signing off from this video now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yes, I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.